If I told you that earthworm and leeches belong to the same phylum, wouldn't that surprise you? Yes, and NEET loves to ask you such questions. So they both belong to the same phylum. Stay tuned with me for the next 5 minutes to know more details about this phylum in the next 5 to 7 minutes. Okay, so this is a special phylum which is called as Annelida. The word annulus means ring. So annual means one cycle or circle. Biannual means twice in a year. So annulus means ring. And Annelida derives its name because the body is segmented, that is metamerically segmented. And each of these segments, some of the organs are repeated, which is why this phylum is very distinct and unique from the other phyla. Another unique feature of this phylum is from evolutionary point of view, this is the first phylum in the living world or kingdom Animalia to have a true coelom or schizocoelom, which is referred to as. So Platyhelminthes was acoelomate, Ascaleminthus was pseudocoelomate, and annelids have a true coelom. Very important from evolutionary point of view. Classic examples in this phylum are earthworms, which is known as the friend of the farmer because it digs up the soil and adds humus to the soil, and it creates a nice aeration within the soil, so they are known as friends of farmers. And leeches. Now leeches are also called as Hirudinaria, and leeches are metamerically segmented, but they are not free living. This sets them apart from earthworms. Earthworms are free living. So annelids may be free living, they may be parasitic, they may be existing in waters, they may be marine in nature. Leeches are ectoparasites. Now that differentiates it from Platyhelminthes, that there's those that were all endoparasites. That is, Platyhelminthes or flatworms are found as endoparasites. Same with roundworms. They are found as parasites within the bodies of intestines of organisms or animals. These are found as ectoparasites on cattle, on the bodies of human beings, or basically cows, goats, sheep, etc. Leeches have a special anticoagulant in their saliva, which is called as hirudin, and which they just suck blood. So they're sanguivorous in nature. They suck blood from the cattle or the cow on which they parasitize. The characteristic feature of annelids is that they are triploblastic. They've got 3 germ layers. They've got organ system level of organization. They are bilaterally symmetrical, and they are all coelomate animals. That is, they've got 2 coelom. Their surface of the body is covered with a cuticle. The cuticle is protective in nature, and this cuticle also gives some characteristic features to the epidermis. Now the body has got longitudinal muscles as well as circular muscles by a way of which they can move forward. Some aquatic annelids also have got parapodia, which are organs of locomotion. That is, they've got those setae and parapodia coming out by which they are able to move. That is another feature which is found in aquatic annelids. Now, this is about the body wall. The digestive tract in annelids is complete. The circulatory system is also closed type, and the blood has got hemoglobin. It is red in its structure, and it's got hemoglobin or some pigment which is called as erythrochromocin. Hemoglobin or erythrochromocin. So they've got a complete blood vascular system as well. The nervous system may consist of some sense organs, and it may be present in some of them. The nervous system also consists of 2 ganglia. What is a ganglia? A ganglia is a collection of nerves. It consists of 2 ganglia that run on the ventral side of the body, and they are connected by a ventral nerve cord, which acts as the nervous system. The excretory system in case of earthworm consists of nephridia, and usually ammonia is the chief excretory substance, but nitrogenous waste may also be excreted in the form of urea. Now in these organisms, what happens is that they may be unisexual. For example, Nereis is unisexual, whereas earthworm as well as leeches are bisexual. That is, sexes are separate. The development may be direct mostly, or it may be indirect, going through various larval stages. They've got different kind of receptors, photoreceptors, statoreceptors, etc. in their bodies. Now, what sets them apart from roundworms is that firstly, they've got a true coelom, the first to have a true coelom. Another classic feature that sets them apart is that the blood vascular system is red. They contain the red pigment hemoglobin in the plasma. And the third is that metameric segmentation that sets them apart from Ascalepianthus. These are some important points about earthworms. Do remember them. The NCERT and other textbooks also gives the same. The classification is into Polychaeta. It's on the basis of the number of legs that they have. Heterodynaria, Oligochaeta, etc. I gave you some important concept about heterodynaria, which is the biological name of leech, and Pheretima is the biological name of earthworm. Remember, these earthworms are also called as friends of farmers. Like, subscribe to my channel. Do share with me in the comment section if you need any more information, and do stay tuned.